Everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with Scrappy Tails Crafts, and we are going to create a layering poinsettia bouquet topper, and it's going to be featuring the die of the same name. Yay! So here is the die that we will be using, and you can see that Sabrina creates the base, and then she creates the dies that will layer on top of that. But that base holds the design of what you're layering. Now, we are going to be making a 5x7 card today. So I'm going to take care of layering up my panels now. I'm first going to put the main base down. Now, one of the dies is a bunch of it's like a twig system that goes with the berries. I forget what they're called. And we're going to also use that a little bit differently to add the bottom part of our bouquet. Why not? First, I'm going to place down the main piece. And then I have two more of these sprigs of twigs cut in the same color. So I'm going to put one down, and then I'm going to put the other one down. So one's going to go a little bit to the right, one's going to go a little bit to the left. So it looks like that the bouquet is like being held in the center, but no one will see it because we're going to put a big bow there. Yes, you get to see me make yet another bow. Oh, well, it's great entertainment. Let's look at it that way. And now we're going to start our layering. So I've used shades of greens and reds and burgundies and browns for this bouquet. The mat that we're putting all of this on is an ivory. So I think it coordinates really well. For the poinsettias, we're going to put down the burgundy first. And then I'm going to cut away the largest poinsettia from the lighter red. And you can do that because of the lines and the cut lines that she provides. You're just snipping it in the areas that it's still together on. Sorry, I had to take a drink, so if you heard me gurping, I'm so sorry. So now that we have that cut away, we'll be able to place that now on top of where that goes. So even though you can have a one layer layering going on here you can have multiple layers. You can add two of the same color on top of each other so that you're getting all of this different dimension. And I've done that. So for some of the layering pieces, I die cut them twice or 3 times. For other layering pieces, I only die cut them once so that I don't have as much dimension. So you can even take your layering dies like this and add a lot of texture and dimension to that. And that's what I love about these. So here we're going to add a different shade of green that's going to pop out from that large leaf. And we're just going to continue adding our different layers to our piece. Now, I always die cut more than what I need because I never know exactly where I'm going to stop. Which is usually, I usually don't stop. I usually just keep on going because that's just what I do. It's how we have fun. But I always have extra pieces because just in case I want to change my mind or I do want to add that other layer depending upon where it's sitting. When I'm die cutting, I'm only seeing the dies. I'm not seeing what the final picture is or what the final layout looks like. I'm just die cutting and choosing my colors at that point. So I'm going to stop right there. I kind of like the way that looks. And we're going to grab some twine. And we are also going to grab some of our gems from Scrappy Tails. She's got some great choices, and boy, does she have a collection. Yeah, check it out. It's kind of cool. I'm going to add some gold gems to the outside around the bouquet, but also mainly the inside of each of the poinsettias. Now, she does provide a die for the inside and the centers of the poinsettias, but I have always added gems or glitter or a sequin or something to the center of poinsettias. I don't know. I just feel it needs that shimmer and shine and fun. Because it does. I love poinsettias. And I can't have them. Or I shouldn't say that. I won't bring them into my home. I do have a cat. And I know some say they're not poisonous. A lot of people say they are. I just lean on, you know what? My cat doesn't need to be eating a plant. So I don't bring them in. So I live with poinsettias through my cards. I just absolutely love them. I think they're gorgeous. Gorgeous plants. So now that we have our gems on there, I'm going to grab some twine. I'm going to double that up. We're going to attempt to tie our bow. And I think we did pretty good this time. I don't think we went crazy. Yeah, see, we did that pretty gosh darn well. I'm going to pull all the loops together, actually, and make it look like just a loopy loop. So not so much of a bow, meaning nothing's going to be trimmed. I'm just going to have all of the loops. And by pulling each one on different sides, you can get this multiple loop effect and then just trim off the tail. And I just put some glue down there. Thought maybe my tweezers would go as far as that. Nope. Pushing down with my acrylic block just to make sure that it is secured so that when I show it to you all, the bow does not fall off. I'm just saying. So here is our finished card. And again, I did not add a sentiment. Again, this card sits in my stash for if I have a special occasion that comes up. Whether it's a birthday, whether it's a holiday, whether it's a celebration at someone's house. And if it happens to be during the holidays, I'm ready and I can put any sentiment on that card. I hope you enjoyed today's project featuring the Scrappy Tails Layering Poinsettia Bouquet Topper Die. The products that I used will be listed down below if you wanted to check them out. But most of all, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell for notification to know when the next video is ready for you to watch. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well. Enjoy your art, have fun creating it, no stress, no frustration, but most of all, remember, always be creative, guys. And I will talk to you in the next one. Till then.